Welcome everybody to a new video. For this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing or opening of a package of fun vinyl that I got off of Amazon. These vinyls are all splatter design, so they're really neat. And I'm going to have a lot of fun trying to figure out different designs I can make with these. I'm going to design a couple shirts, maybe a hoodie or two. We're going to see what we can come up with, what kind of designs we can make with this special vinyl. Let me know down in the comments what kind of ideas you get for this type of vinyl. I got a couple ideas. I want to try a design with text. I think it would really look really neat with the text, and I got a couple other ideas. I hope you guys all enjoyed unboxing this vinyl with me. It was really neat to come across these. I am glad I purchased them, and I can't wait to make some stuff with it. I hope you guys have an awesome day.